Welcome to AirTag, the ultimate guide to setting up and mastering your Apple AirTag. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know to get started. Let's dive in. Setting up your AirTag is simple. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest software. Then, bring your AirTag close to your iPhone and a setup prompt will appear. Tap, connect, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your AirTag is connected, you can personalize it with a name and select an emoji to easily identify it in the Find My app. You can also set a custom wallpaper to give your AirTag a personal touch. Now it's time to put your AirTag to use. Attach it to your belongings using the included keychain or any other accessory. For example, you can secure it to your keys, wallet, or even your pet's collar. If you ever misplace an item, simply open the Find My app on your iPhone and tap the Items tab. You'll see a list of all your AirTags. Select the one you're looking for, and you'll be guided to its location on a map. But what if you're separated from your AirTag? Don't worry. The vast Find My network can help. When another Apple device comes near your AirTag, it securely and anonymously relays its location back to you. If you're unable to locate your item, you can enable Lost Mode in the Find My app. It will notify you as soon as your AirTag is found. And with precision finding on iPhone 11 and 12 models, you'll receive even more accurate guidance to quickly locate your belongings. Remember, AirTag is designed with privacy in mind. Only you can see the location of your AirTag and no one else, not even Apple. And that's it. You now know how to set up and master your Apple AirTag. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.